Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Decode Data with Mansur. Today we are going to solve the SQL problem of LeetCode 1378 replace employee's ID with the unique identifier. So let's see the problem first. So here they're giving us two tables. One is an employee's table and another one is employee's UNI table. So in employees table they have ID, name, and ID is the primary key, and in the table employees UNI they mentioned ID as well as unique ID of that employee. So here the problem is they are asking us to write the solution to show the unique ID of each user. If the user does not have the unique ID, replace just show the null. Okay, and then as they are asking us to return the result table in any order. So there is no need to use any written statement over here, and they're asking us to write the names of the each employee and their unique ID. If they don't have the unique ID, we just simply replace with the null value. Okay. So let's see the example so that we can understand more. So here they have the employees table and as well as the unique IDs table. So 1, 7, 11, 93 as an employee IDs and their names as well. So in the output, they're querying the Alice, Bob, Mary, Winston, Jonathan, and their unique IDs. So simply we can say that after seeing this example, they are querying all the names in the employees table, but not all the unique IDs because all the employees does not have all unique IDs. So they're simply putting all the names of the employees as well as if they have the unique ID, they are giving us the unique ID. If there is no unique ID, they're simply putting the null values. So here we can use the join statement. So first of all, I will tell you the differences. What are the types of joins in the SQL and how they work so that it's easy for you guys to understand. So let's see what are the uh, you know joins in this one. So here this one is called inner join. From the diagram you can see it returns only the matching rows from the both tables and ignores the rows with no match in either of the table. If they don't have the matching rows, then it simply ignore the entire rows. And here is a left join in the bottom. So left join, what will we do in the name itself? It mentions that returns all the rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table. If no match found in the right table, they simply return as a null values. And here we have the full join. So full join means it return all the rows when there is match in one of the tables. If there is no match, nulls all be returned from the sides without any match. Because simply we can say it will return all the left table, right table. If there is no match, they simply put the null where there is no match in the common values. And here we have the right join. So in right join, what will happen means returns all the rows from the right table and matched rows from the left table. If no match is found in the left table, nulls are returned in its column. Okay, let's understand this. And in this problem, I am going to use the right join. First of all, I will show you an example of how the right join works so that easy for you. Let's cancel this thing. Okay, let's here they have some example like we have student ID, name, and another table with student ID and department. So if we perform right join on this table, if you put the right join like first table to the right join to the second table, it will return all the values in the right table of the student IDs with 1004, 005, 006, 007, 008 and their name if there is a common name value is there. If not, they're simply putting null values and the respective department. So here the common value only is 1004, so it's returning to the name D, and except all that others it's simply putting null values and it's ignoring 1002, 1003, 1004 because it's in left table. So it giving you all the values in the right table as well as common values from the left table. If there is no common values in the left table, it simply put the null over here. So I think you understand about the join concept. So here I am going to do what I'm going to do is I just use the right join statement here. So I will use the I will put the right join to the employees UNI table with employees table. So let's start the problem. So first we have to write the select statement, right? So we'll write the select statement. select. So here the output they are asking us the unique ID. So I will just reuse this name over here. Select the unique ID, name, and from which table. So from here it's very important. So be careful. From here, I'm just, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using to join this employee table with right join. So first of all, employee UNI table. We call it as a E. So I'm going to use the right join. So right join the table name employees. Let's rename as E. Oops, we already used the E. So I just put X. Okay, so we have to write the condition, right? On which one? On the employees table, E dot ID is equal to X dot ID, means employees tables ID column is equal to the employees UNI table ID column. So we can write as E dot ID equal to X dot ID. Let me run the code. Yep, it runs successful. So this is how the join function works. What I done is like I'm querying all the values from the employees table and as well as common values from the employees UNI table. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to solve all the 50 problems in the SQL 50. So that's all for today.